What if I told you that your human rights were being violated right now? Water. It is essential to life. That's why the United Nations declared clean water a human right. But have you ever questioned what comes out of the tap? The quality of water is invisible to the human eye. So we put our faith in governments. Still, many countries don't provide clean drinking water for their citizens. Did you know that in Europe, 18% of all disease outbreaks are linked to water? And still over 200 million Americans in all 50 states have contaminated water. Almost half of all China's water sources are polluted. Countries all over the world are violating human rights. And people don't even know, because we cannot see. What are the consequences, you might ask? Well, no one knows yet. But if we don't do anything now, we'll find out for sure. An Aquaporin water filter solution enforces your human right with naturally filtered water.